How to share files to WhatsApp from the iPhone Files app. If you want to send documents, PDFs, or other files directly from the Files app to WhatsApp, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Next, browse to the folder that contains the file you want to share. Now, tap and hold the file, then select Share from the menu. You can also tap the file to open it and then tap the Share button in the bottom left corner. In the iPhone share sheet, scroll through the apps and tap WhatsApp. If you don't see it right away, tap More or scroll across the app icons until you find it. WhatsApp will open automatically. Next, choose the contact or group you want to send the file to, then tap Next. You can add a message if you'd like before sending. Finally, tap the Send button and the file will be shared through WhatsApp. If WhatsApp doesn't appear in the share sheet, make sure the app is installed and updated to the latest version. Then try sharing the file again. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.